Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my new waist massager. And so I'm gonna show you exactly how this works and how it feels. So here it is, wow. It looks really nice and it comes in this nice packaging too. So this is perfect. There we go, I was able to get it open. And so this is sweet. I like this already. It already feels really nice. So let's open this up and then take a look at what it is. So here it is. I'm gonna open it for you guys here. And so it comes with the instructions here, and then it comes with more just about it itself, how it works, the buttons all on it, which one's the temperature. So it looks like it has a light to know which it's on. You can switch the vibration level. You can switch the pulse intensity, the temperature, the mode, and the pulse intensity again. So that is sweet. So I'm gonna take it out here, and I think it's, oh, there's even more stuff it comes with. So let's look at what this is. So this is an extender. If you need it to be longer, what you can do is you can actually add this to it also, and then it will make it even longer. So you can do that, and then I can make it longer like so. So, wait, let me think about which way this goes. Oh, like that. And so then I have an extender for it too. So it comes with that, and then it also comes with the charging cord itself, and then also comes with the remote. So what's nice about this is it comes with the remote here plus the batteries. So let me open up this remote right here real quick and plug in these new batteries. So this is exciting. Okay, open that, open that. And so I'm just putting in the new batteries here. And I love when they come with the batteries, so this is perfect. Okay, so we got one in, and it uses 2 AAA batteries. So now I got, sweet. Now I've got the remote, oh, it goes this way. I got the remote in, and the remote's ready. So let me put this on and see how it feels, guys. And so what's cool is it has all these little spaces here. So, and it says use a wet towel to wipe the electrodes before use. So you could do that. And it has, yeah. So that's sweet. Look, this is what it looks like. And so I assume that you put it under your body and then you wrap it around. And so it's on my stomach now. And what I can do here is now, let's see. Ooh, I feel, so there's a power button in the middle. So I'm going to hold that. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now it is on. And so now, ooh, I feel it. Oh, it feels nice. Okay. So I can feel it all going everywhere, and it's totally giving me a massage now. These things always make me so relaxed, but this is what it looks like. And so I can turn on the heat for it from my phone. I can turn up the vibration settings as well. Oh, so I could totally feel it now. Oh, so that's the electrode massage of it. So I just turned that up all the way. You could totally feel that. Oh, yeah. So this is sweet. And I turned on the heating, and I can already feel the heating. So let me show you guys how it looks when it's on so you can see kind of exactly what's happening. So the red in there is probably the heat. Yeah, it's the heat. And then these move over here on the sides. And I can feel the electrodes from it, too. So this is sweet. I like this. And this is perfect for, a nice little waist massage and a good gift. So this is perfect. And it comes with everything you need in a nice stylish box too. So I'd give it a thumbs up.